Hey guys, it's Flex and Release here. If you find that your hips have been feeling tight or stiff, I have a 5-minute routine that will help you to restore motion where you need it the most. I'll be going over 5 movements, 10 repetitions each. Let's get started. Okay, so the first move we're going to start off with our 90-90s. This is going to help restore internal as well as external hip rotation, which directly affects how you walk, squat, and protect your low back. Move slow and controlled, absolutely no forcing. Supine leg circles train the hip to move independently while the core remains stable. This is going to help to improve coordination, joint health, and control, especially if you're a person who sits a lot or feels stiff whenever you do move. And for those of you who may not be able to tell, I am reversing the direction of each leg. 5 inner leg circles as well as 5 outer leg circles. Next movement is one of my personal favorites, the deep squat. This is going to open the hips, knees, as well as ankles all at the same time. I'm staying tall and gently pulsing to explore range, not forcing depth. This position is foundational for any healthy movement. Next is half kneeling hip flexor lifts. This strengthens the hip flexors while keeping the pelvis stable. I'm squeezing the back of my glute, lifting the knee just slightly. Strong hips are not just flexible, they're also controlled. And last but not least, we have adductor rockbacks. This is going to load the inner thighs while the hips move back. This improves squat depth and reduces knee stress. Make sure you move slow and keep the chest long. All right, that is it, guys. We are coming towards the end of this routine. Thank you so much for tuning in. You're going to want to do this routine regularly, and your hips will feel completely different. Mobility is about restoring motion, not just stretching harder.